Hello guys, it's Shaun Thomson. Welcome back to another video. It is currently 9 o'clock on Friday morning. So if you're seeing this on Saturday, you knew what we're doing Friday. So we'll be out in the loader doing the jobs, and now we have another wee yard day that we're going to do a couple of odd jobs. We need to move these containers round to their places they're going. We've got to get the DAF sorted, and we've got to sort out the shed as well. So let's bring you along for something different. You probably can't see much, but the first job is taking the brand new batteries off of the old Bedford. We bought these batteries to obviously take over to Ireland to get them started, because the booster pack we had wasn't quite doing it. So let's get the batteries off first, and you can't see much because it's a wee bit dark down here. Alright, that's the positive terminal off, negative terminal. The good thing about these lorries is they can actually start on a booster pack. They don't even need batteries. The only reason we brought the batteries was obviously because they hadn't started in 10-15 years. So they were probably 10-15 years. Yeah, no, that's probably about right actually. So they needed as much power as they could to get that engine turning over. Right. Oh. Just walking up to this here. Thought someone stole my window wiper, obviously. Nope, it's just rusty clean through and broke off. Game on. But that's the batteries out. Now we've got to move the DAF. Big job. Alright. Ranger's all de-wrapped. I did that over the weekend. I don't think I put much content in the video because I was too busy unwrapping it. It looks quite cool unwrapped, doesn't it? Black. Here's a new booster. Due right. Let's see if it will start the DAF just on the booster. Alright, so just booster. I doubt it, but it'll be funny. Oh. Not even a beam. Must not isolate it. I'd have said that was isolated on. There we go, we've got it now. Let's see, it'll be interesting. What a machine of a booster pack, by the way! Oh yes! Oh, this thing's gonna do well here, I'll tell you that much. Aye. That's a good booster. That's not bad at all, it's still at 75-50%. Got a lot to do, but it's just so messy, man. So messy. Now for some forklift. So unfortunately what probably would have been quite a good time lapse of us emptying out all of the palleted goods within here. The GoPro decided that the battery wasn't that strong and it cuts off. Once we get this second pallet out, we still have about 4 or 5 lifts to do. I just didn't realise until it was far too late, but there we are, all cleared out of the pallets. It needs to get washed before it gets better, right? Jesus Christ. Hopefully this moves. I lost that 13 the last time we worked on the DAF 45, which is over a month and a half ago, and we finally found it. I thought I was going to have to buy a new one. Beautiful. Alright, we're going through it. We've got the first bit of racking in, it's still in absolute state in here. Look at that, all the paint for all the lorries and all that jazz, all nice and set up. Tools, blah blah blah, oils. One of the main reasons it's all about wind noise for doing this. Oh yes! That is stunning. What, come get off with it? Luckily it's not looking at you, Keith. Why? I've not seen much improvement, to be honest. Getting there. Slowly but surely it's a little bit of a mess, but aye, good. Right. Next to go to Samaz, let's give her a wee start, see how she goes. Oh. I forgot, there's the exhaust, man. Oh shite, I forgot about that. Hell. Oh. Jeez, peeps, man, look at the size of it. We'll get 2 lorries in there, not a problem. We'll get the Bedford in now and just see what we're sitting at. Not the Bedford, the other one. I get don't know why I'm doing this, but I'm thinking Daft would then go in there and then see what happens. I just want to go and get the other truck, sit it in there and see how she looks, and then see what we're talking about size-wise. But I want to get that one, the Kelly one, tucked away in that corner, out with all the elements. I don't want to get wet. It's not, you know what I mean? Alright. Jesus, I just found that. Still smells like pigeon shit in here. But will the old Kelly girl start? That is the question. No, she will not. Right, that's a better noise again. Not that you can see much. It's starting to get dark here on Friday, and I need to get aim, man. Right, get the gear. Fuck's sake. Beautiful. Straight up. That's a new noise. Like if they do that, make new noises. I never used to make that noise. Cool. Nice penis. Right. Aye, I reckon that'll do the old girl just there. No bad space in here, look. That's how much bigger it is than the shed. Or the canopy. Alright darling, that'll do you nicely. I'll quickly just wind this window up. There we go. That'll do you nicely in there, so it will. Right, so far that's what we're coming up with. Put a DAF in there, that container there, and we'll fix it later. Right, that's not the way I want it. That one's blocked into that container, brilliant. But that sticks out too far forward. I will sort that. I don't know when. Maybe Tuesday, Wednesday, but I'm not too happy with how it sits. I had to probably just bin these. I don't want to bin them. I want to restore the Bedford, right? The Bedford Rascal I definitely want to restore. This right back here. And then the Mazda that you can kind of just see there. I don't know. Problem is if I take this too far back, I can't use this workbench because it'll be like right tight gap. I'm not wanting either. Anyways. The thing is, a fire escape can still be used, you know, when you run out, fire, you know what I mean, you can still get out. Anyways, that'll do for a Friday night. Alright, now we got to get rid of all the rubbish, apart from the scrap metal and the batteries. They go in a separate pile, and then they go on a dump run once dump runs come round. And there she is, tidy. That's how the boys left it. You know, that's their rope and their boxes and all that. So I'll leave it just the same. Lazy. It's still not tidy, but it'll do. It's certainly better than what it was. That's what we're kind of going for. Just try to get that one hidden out of the way of elements, and we'll take it for there, I suppose. I don't know what I'm going to do. Right, we have that truck back there, grab our clothes, and that's us done for the day. Long shift. Right, that's good day for the most boring episode on the channel. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, and as always, we'll see you guys in the next video. And hopefully it's something more exciting than, you know, stacking paint cans nice and all that. I still need to sort all this. I will sort it all. I just can't be arsed, if I'm being completely honest.